Hello, this is Ben here, and today I'm going to show you that 0.9 repeating is equal to 1. And this is one of those ideas that I've debated quite a bit with other students and also math teachers about. And there's a lot of students and math teachers that just won't believe me that 0.9 repeating is equal to 1. So today I'm going to prove it to you. But before I do that, if you don't believe me on that, think of a number between 0.9 repeating and 1. Can you think of a number between the two? And you can't, because 0.9 repeating is 0.99999999999 forever. So the first way to kind of look at it is if we look at the number 1, say we take a third plus a third plus a third, okay? All of us know by now that that's equal to 3 over 3, which is 1. So there's no debate with that a third plus a third plus a third is equal to 1. Now, most of us also know that a third is the same thing as 0.3 repeating, right? So if we just use substitution and change those all to decimals, you get 0.3 repeating plus 0.3 repeating plus 0.3 repeating, which is equal to 0.9 repeating. So because of that, in math, we have something called the transitive property, which says that if 1 equals that and this equals this, then we can say that this and this are the same based on the transitive property. So that's kind of the first way that I like to go about explaining that to people. But if that doesn't convince you, I've got another way as well. So what we're going to do here is we're going to set 0.9 repeating equal to x. So 0.9 repeating is equal to x. And what I'm going to do is show you that x has to equal 1. So the first thing that we're going to do is multiply both sides by 10. Okay? So we have 10x is equal to, what is 10 times 0.9 repeating? Well, you just move the decimal place 1 to the right and you get 9.9 repeating. Right? Okay, let's rewrite this as 9 plus 0.9 repeating. So all I did was I just rewrote 9.9 repeating as 9 plus 0.9 repeating, which is just rewriting it using substitution per se. Okay, but we set x equal to 0.9 repeating up here. So we can change this 0.9 repeating, use substitution, and put x in its place, right? Because 0.9 repeating is equal to x. So we can now put x in its place. And we have 10x equals 9 plus x. So what we've essentially done is we've gotten rid of the infinite decimal. Okay? Solving this for x, just subtract x from both sides. Basic algebra. We have 9x is equal to 9. And now divide both sides by 9. We have x is equal to 1. So there we go. Here we have x equals 1. Here we have x equals 0.9 repeating. Therefore, 0.9 repeating must be equal to 1. No questions asked. So there's a more solid proof if that first explanation doesn't cut the cake for you. Thank you.